SketchUp University. SketchUp in about 60 seconds or less. The section tool in SketchUp. The section tool in SketchUp is how you create sections through your model. The section tool in SketchUp should only be used on groups and components. If you use it on your entire project, it will cut through your entire project. As an example, when I go to my section tool can be located under Tool, Section Plane, or you can just click on this icon over here. It looks like a little section tool. You'll notice when I cut the section tool through an entire project, what it does, the window gets as big as the entire project. Typically you don't want to do that, so you want to use your section tool on a group or a component. What I'll do is I'll click the section tool, the section plane, just by clicking on it with my left mouse button. I'll hit the delete key on my keyboard to get rid of it. Now I'll show you the difference when I use the section tool on the component. I'll right click on it, say edit, or actually on the group, I'll say edit the group. And I'll put my section tool, and what it does, it aligns up whatever surface you put it up against. Once I click on a side I want to cut, click right there, and you'll notice, as opposed to earlier when I cut the section cut, it just cut it through the model. And also, whenever you go to pick your section plane, if you want to move it, click inside this area right here. That'll allow you to move it. So then you go to the move command and you move it where you want it. Once you have the section plane where you want it, and you want to create a typical section through your building, all you do is right click on your section plane, say align view, and now we have a typical section plane almost. If we go right here under camera and switch that to parallel projection, now you have a typical section through your building using the section plane. The section plane is important in SketchUp. Only use it on groups and components unless you want to cut it through your entire project. The section plane.